Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Walabot do-it-yourself wall scanner. You can get this product on Amazon for about $70. Check out the link in the description. The Walabot only works with Android smartphones. It is not compatible with iPhones or Android tablets. If you want to use the Walabot with your smartphone, you need to attach the included gel pad between the Walabot and your phone. So your phone can't have anything attached to its back or it won't work. The Walabot doesn't have a battery, it works with your phone's battery. You just need to attach the USB cable. It also comes with a USB Type-C cable for phones with USB-C ports. The Walabot also comes with a plastic film to avoid scratching walls. Now you just have to go to the Google Play Store and download the Walabot Do-It-Yourself app. After starting the app, you can choose between concrete and drywall. Calibrating the Walabot is very easy and only takes a few seconds. Now you can start using the Walabot. The Walabot detects metal objects, wood studs, wires, pipes and can show movement behind walls. It has three different modes. The pan mode, which gives you a panoramic view of a full wall line. The image mode, which shows you a visual classification of studs, pipes and more, and the expert mode, which shows the raw signals from the Walabot sensor. I tested the Walabot for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it's very convenient when you work around the house. So if you are a do-it-yourself guy and you have an Android smartphone, I would recommend the Walabot Do-It-Yourself Wall Scanner. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.